Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So right now it is, let me show y'all, 10:44 in the morning. I have to go to work later on, but I really want to make dinner today, so we just go ahead and make it now just to get out the way. I will be making some, I guess, Swedish meatballs, baby shower meatballs, whatever one you want to call it. Cream of spinach and then some sweet corn. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna throw the meatballs up in the crock pot for like an hour. Online they keep talking about 3-4 hours. I'm like, for frozen meatballs, baby, they already done. For me, I'm just doing an hour, sweetie. I ain't got time for all that. Before we get this video started, please make sure you like, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. At this point, I'm a chef, and that's just what it is. So this is everything I got. I had these bag of meatballs already, so I just ordered another bag off of DoorDash. I got barbecue sauce. I have another one in the refrigerator if I need it. Garlic, butter, 2 cans of corn, grape jelly. I had this spinach already, but once you cook spinach, it go down, it don't be nothing. So I'm gonna add this bag too, cream cheese, and then the heavy cream, and then my seasonings. So let's get it started in the crock pot. All right, so I turned the crock pot on. It's on high. So let's go ahead and add in what we need to add in.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus won't make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. All I want for Christmas.
Y'all, time to cook this cream of spinach. First, we're gonna go ahead and add some butter. You know you like that butter. I think we're gonna use about half, maybe like half of a half, or like close to more than half of a half. All right, so I want to cut up some onions while the butter was melting. We're going to add just a dab of olive oil. Just a dab. Just a dab. If you don't know, now is a chance to hurry as your man. The red onion that I chopped up. And we're just gonna let this cook a little bit. I am done the food. This is the cream of spinach. sweet corn, and then we have the meatballs. Creamy. Come on, spinach. Woohoo! I'm excited because I'm hungry. Some corn. Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and try it. Try it. Y'all don't understand how hungry I am. More spinach. Oh my goodness, that's so good. That's so good, so good, so good. Come on, meatball. Tastes just like the baby shower meatballs. Alright, so I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I'm about to go eat the rest of this off the camera and eat it how I really want to eat it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
How'd you like yourself? When you decide you need someone,